When you've got a serious DIY project in mind, you'll need a RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless 184mm circular saw. With its larger blade size and powerful motor, it's designed to cut through thicker, tougher material. Make faster cuts with a motor that ramps up to 5,000 RPM and use its power to cut timber to a depth of 65mm. Adjust the bevel for precise cuts of up to 56 degrees. This model has a lower front handle that delivers greater control, increases cut line visibility and better ergonomics. And if you're working in a confined space, the dust port has been upgraded for better connection to a dust extraction unit. For added accuracy, illuminate your workpiece with the onboard LED light. This saw is part of our HP range of tools that deliver the performance and battery run times you need for all types of tasks, big or small. This HP brushless circ saw has been optimised for edge high-performance batteries for when the going gets really tough. So when your next DIY project demands something extra from your tools, grab the RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless 184mm circular saw.
RYOBI.